Alright, so I had to run to the I had to run to the Home Depot to get some paint because there's no way I'm gonna rearrange my room and make it look cute when these walls are so ugly. So I got some white paint. Let me show you. This is the color that I got. Ultra pure white. I'm gonna get started on painting and yeah, that's it. Okay. My stupid ass brain forgot to pick up a brush, so I had to take a kabuki brush in order to do the corners because the roller doesn't fit, and so I had to take this one. Okay, giving you an update. I have painted the whole room, so now let's take the tape off. Oh my gosh, so satisfying. This is how we're looking right now. That's my bed. So many things right now. I have to clean and hello. It's been like 3 days since I started doing my room and I still haven't finished. But I think I'm gonna finish this week. So I'm gonna go to Ikea with my mom and we're gonna get some plants. I was trying to get plants from the Home Depot, but they're so expensive. I'm like $23, and then I saw that Ikea has it for $5 and I'm like, and so I'm gonna go to Ikea. I see it. Yay! Oh my god! Mommy! Oh.
So this is how
Can you believe we're taking all these plants on the train?
and I know I'm yelling.
Oh my gosh, guys. I'm back from Ikea. We took the train home, so it went local, like 50 different stops. And then the plant, I got that one. Okay, so I got this hat for you. I bought a little frame from Ikea, and then you can just find a picture, like any picture that you like, you can just replace it. Okay, and it looks like this. Welcome to my room. So we just came in from here. The first thing is I have my TV in here. That's not very important, so I'm just gonna bye. Oh, and that's my mirror, and psh, bye. Okay, next it's my desk. All right, so for my desk, I decided I wanted to change it. Before, I had my bed in here, and then I decided I wanted to change it because I wanted to take advantage of the light on my bed so I could wake up early and stuff. Okay, so in here, this is my desk. Sometimes I sit down to edit. Most of the time I do it on my bed, but I'm forcing myself to sit down because my back is killing me. So in here I just keep my iPad and my new Mac that my brother gave me. Thank God for him. That's why I own one. If not, I wouldn't. This is just makeup brushes, hand sanitizer, and just markers for my erase board. I put just my videos, birthdays, and stuff that I have pending so I can look at it every day and don't forget, because I'm a very forgetful person. And then in here I have my first pineapple. I have a lot of pineapples throughout this room, so I'm gonna show you all that. Here I have a little bag that I use almost every day. I've changed, oh my god, you didn't say that, bye. I changed to this one. Actually, this is the one I'm using every day now, but I used to use this one, so I go back and forth through those two. That's just random stuff that I don't know where to put, so just bye. This is my first plant. I got it the other day. I still don't have the pots, but when I buy them, I'm gonna show you. This is my second pineapple. I painted this myself, and it says, "Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet." This is my second plant. So cute. Down here, I just keep lipsticks and like mascara and stuff that I use every day, or not every day but most of the time. My wooden woman for decoration, some pens, gel pens for my for taking notes, and then this is just our markers. And this is my other pineapple. This is the cutest thing. Okay, and this is just a simple chair and a basket for garbage and just random stuff. I put my kanken in here because I didn't have anywhere else to put it, so it's there. And in here, I didn't know what to do with this, and so I just arranged them. It's not cute, but I don't know, it's there. And then my bed. For my bed, yeah, it's pretty simple. I got this on Ikea, and it's just white and then has yellow flowers. In the back, I added this string of lights, and then I put Polaroids. Really, these are legit Polaroids. These Polaroids are like 30 years old, so you can see how dirty they are. That's my mom, and those are my two siblings, my older siblings. I have them all in there. The only one that I have that it's mine, it's this one. This is pretty new. That was like months ago. And then it's just photos. Mostly they're not of me. Up here I just have this 3 paintings. I didn't know what to do with it, so I was like, I'm just gonna put it there for now. And then my graduation cat. And then back here I have another plant. I love you, by the way, and I don't know, I think it gives the room a like pop because of the color. And yeah, I don't have the vase. I will buy one. They're just very expensive. And then my nightstand is just a lamp, and then I put my phone, my Apple Watch to charge, my AirPods, a box full of makeup because I don't have a space to put makeup anywhere else. Just hang some more art in there because I love art. And then that's my closet. We're not gonna open my closet. I have a video. You can go check that out. In this corner, beautiful corner, I just have a little plant. This is a succulent at the olive oil sitting down on a base. I did a video doing this too, so if you want, check that out also. I'm gonna link it for you. So I have another plant, and then another plant, another pineapple because I love pineapples if you didn't notice already. And my mom says it looks good, so if my mom says it, it's legit. This is a mirror, by the way. Hi, that's me again. And that's it. So that's it for my room tour and room transformation. I hope you enjoy it. It was pretty simple because I just rearranged my furniture and then bought some plants. That was it. So I'll see you on my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.